This is going to be a review of the Magic Chef 4.5 cubic feet 2-door refrigerator that I purchased. I've had for a little over a year now. This thing has worked great. A few things to mention. It's going to come with plastic on the sides. I saw a couple videos prior to purchasing the unit and people said that they had a hard time getting it off. Well, the trick to it is it comes off easy if you don't plug it in first. All you do is come up here, pry that open, take that screw out, and there's 3 more. One over there and one right here. So you take all those screws out and then this plastic cover pops off. Plastic comes off, no problem. Okay, other than that, there is also this plastic tray back here. This is the condensation drain pan. You do not want to take that piece of plastic out or you're going to have water all over your floor. That is for condensation that builds up. So as you can see on the back of the wall, it's a little frosty right now. Well, that'll melt eventually. It'll go down that drain hole right there and fill up the condensation drain pan. And that'll just evaporate because this, the compressor is gonna heat up and it's just gonna evaporate all that water that fills up in there, which is not much water. Once this thing cools down, it's a good size. Cools off really well. I don't know if you can see that temperature gauge that well, but it is right at 5 degrees. So this thing gets cold. Got a little bit of ice built up on the wall, but like I said, I've had this thing for a year and that's barely nothing. Comes with a little ice cube tray. Really can't store much up in this compartment up here, so I don't really utilize that too much, but you can fit half gallon of ice cream up there and some water bottles. Down here, got quite a bit of storage on the side, a couple of beers, you can get some yogurts up here. I usually stay stocked up with Gatorades and they fit just fine right there as long as they're the mini ones. Got some mini Gatorades down here. No tracks, it's just a bucket sliding on the floor of the refrigerator. As you can see, it fits a full-size gallon of milk and some coffee creamer. And I found that it works best on setting 4 as far as coolness. It keeps everything good temperature. I also have a gauge in here and it keeps it right around 32 degrees when it's on 4. So definitely recommend this. I don't know if I said it before, but I paid $239 for this little mini fridge from Home Depot, and it's worked great. Very reliable.